How to draw Barbie. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, today we are going to be learning how to draw Barbie. First, we are going to start by drawing the outline of her face. To begin, we are going to draw a curved line that kind of looks like a U, but the right side is going to be longer than the left side. Then we are going to draw Barbie's sunglasses that are going to be on top of her head. For this, we are going to draw a U shape connecting to the top right side of that outline we just drew for her face. Then connecting to the left side of that shape, we are going to draw a small upside down U. This is going to be for the part of the sunglasses that go over the bridge of her nose. And then we are going to draw another larger U shape, just like we did for the right side of the sunglasses. Awesome job! Now we are going to connect the two sides of the sunglasses at the top by drawing two slightly curved lines. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, looks great! Now we are going to begin drawing Barbie's hair. The first line we draw for her hair is going to go right here. This is going to curve from the right side of her sunglasses, connecting to the outline of her face that we drew. Nice job! Now I'm going to show you where I draw the rest of the lines for her hair. The next one I draw is going to go right here. You can draw the lines for her hair exactly how I do, or you can draw them however you would like. Then I'm going to draw a couple lines that go along right here to make the next part of her hair. Now I'm going to pause for a few seconds before I continue so that if you need to catch up, you can. Now I'm going to draw another curved line near the bottom part of her hair connecting to the first line that we drew for her hair. Then I'm going to draw another line very similar to the one that we just drew, except it's going to be a little bit to the left, still connecting to that bottom curved line. Then I'm going to move back to the top and connect her hair to the top right of her sunglasses. Then I'm going to draw another line going from her sunglasses down on the right side of her head. Next, I'm going to draw another curved line that's just inside of that one that continues to go downwards. Then I'm going to draw a long curved line that goes downwards from the right side of her face. Next, I'm going to draw a few more wavy lines for her hair, and then I'm going to pause so that you could see where I drew them. If I'm ever going too fast, then feel free to hit the pause button if you need to catch up. Next, I'm going to draw a couple more curved lines on the left side of her hair. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew. Our drawings are looking great. Next, I'm going to draw a small line going downwards from the left side of her face for her neck, and then a curved line connecting to the left side of her hair. To finish drawing the sunglasses on top of her head, we are going to draw two small lines going downwards from either side of the sunglasses. On the left side, we are going to draw two straight lines going downwards to that line we drew for her hair, and then on the right side, we are going to draw a small curved line for detail in her hair, and then draw two straight lines going downwards from the sunglasses to that. Then for the final step of drawing Barbie's hair, I'm going to draw some wavy lines throughout her hair for detail. Wow, Learn How to Draw Hub crew, our drawings are looking awesome! We're all done drawing her hair. Now we are going to begin drawing the details on her face. We will start by drawing her nose. For this, we are going to draw a small curved line in the middle of her face, and then we are going to draw two very small curved lines, one a little bit to the left below it and one a little bit to the right below it. Awesome job! Now we are going to draw her mouth. We are going to draw this below where her nose is, and we are going to start by drawing the bottom outline, which is going to be a curved line. Nice job! Now to connect the two sides of that curved line, we are going to draw two small curved lines on top of it. Awesome job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings are looking great. The final steps to draw Barbie are going to be to draw her eyes and eyebrows. We're going to start by drawing her left eye. We are going to do this by drawing two curved lines connecting to that outline of her hair. Then inside of that shape, we are going to draw two more curved lines that make somewhat of a circle. This is going to be for her eye. And then for her pupil, we are going to draw a black circle inside of that has a small white dot inside of it. Then above her eye, we are going to draw her eyebrow. Now we are going to draw Barbie's right eye. We are going to do this the exact same way that we drew her left one. Then we are going to draw her right eyebrow right above her eye, just like we did for the left side. Nice job, Learn How to Draw Hub crew! Our drawings look awesome! Next, we are going to draw eyelashes above Barbie's eyes. We are going to draw small straight lines going upwards from the outline of her eye. Now we are going to do the same thing on the left eye. Then for the final step of drawing Barbie, we are going to draw the inside outline of her sunglasses, right here just like this. We will do this on both sides. This is how to draw Barbie. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. If you like this video, then give it a big like below. And if you want to see more step-by-step drawing tutorials just like this one, then be sure to subscribe. Also, comment down below what you would like us to draw next. And stick around until the very end to see our drawing all colored in. Thanks for drawing with me today. See you again next time, Learn How to Draw Hub crew.
Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.